Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Linares again, and today we are going to be adding and subtracting fractions. So come along for the ride. All right, first of all, this is our objective. Students will know that a fraction is a part of a whole. The students will understand that fractions with the same denominators can be added and subtracted. And students will be able to represent addition and subtraction of fractions using equations. Let's begin with the simple word problem. Here we have a word problem. And it says Julie is making a poster for a book report. The directions say to use 1/5 of the poster to describe the setting, 2/5 of the poster to describe the characters, and the rest of the poster to describe the plot. What part of the poster will she use to describe the plot? Okay, so I'm going to draw a strip diagram. I'm going to cut it into 5 equal parts. Okay. She states that 1/5 of the poster describes the setting. So 1 out of 5 describes the setting. Then 2/5 of the poster describes the character, so it's going to be 2/5. The rest of the poster, I'm sorry, and the rest of the poster to describe the plot. What part of the poster will she use to describe the plot? So she will use, so this is the setting right here. This is the characters here, and the rest of the poster to describe the plot. So the rest are these two. So we have 2 out of 5. Okay, we got that. All right, let's go to the next one. Now here we have the equation. We have the equation 9 minus 5/12. Well, since they both have the same denominator, I know I can just go ahead and subtract 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is going to give me 4/12. Isn't that simple, boys and girls? We've been using models this whole week. Now you get to just work the equation. All right, next one. 3 plus 8. Since they have the same denominator, we are able to just add 3 plus 8 would give me 11/12. Okay, very simple. Not that hard today, isn't it? Isn't that good news? All right, 3 minus 1/4, 3/4 minus 1/4. I just look at the denominators. They are the same. They are both 4. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2 out of 4. Okay. Very simple day today, like days like this. All right. Anna rides her bike 5/10 mile to the park. Then she rides 3/10 mile to the soccer field. How far does Emma ride her bike? Okay. So if she rides 5/10 and then she rides another 3/10, how far does she ride her bike? Well, if you add both of those, she rides her bike 8/10 of a mile. That would be C. Finally, if you solve this one here, you win a car. But boys and girls, I'm going to stop right there because I want you to solve this one. And if you get to solve this one, I will post the car that you win on the next posting on Friday. Okay, boys and girls, this is Mr. Linares signing out. Stay positive today, tomorrow, and forever.